The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
So here is our countermeasure from the bee sting, and this is what we're doing. So we have our Kubotas. They're all right here. And the first thing we do is we have wasp spray, and we also have some other killer that's really, really effective, but this is immediate and quick. And then we also have an allergen right there and a histamine. Then we went ahead and put the EpiPens right here, and on the top it's labeled when it expires in May 21, EpiPen, and there's our temperature, 60 to 80, because we don't want it to get too hot. So we take this in and out. This is a cool little holster we have. It just pulls in and out just like that. So it's all Velcroed on there. So we have that in all the Kubotas, and we have the antihistamine and wasp spray in all the Kubotas. So they're all standardized, and we've got that right there. Then for me, in addition to that, I've got one right here in my center console with the date on there. So I've always got that, and I even put EpiPen on my car to make sure I don't leave it in the hot car because it would get too hot. But I usually have this in my pocket. This way I just grab it and walk into the store or wherever I'm going to go. I just have it with me all the time. So that's our countermeasure. And then the only last thing we did was over here when we lock up at night. If it's going to be below 60 degrees, which right now in this season it's not, we have EpiPen there because we want to take it out and put it in the house so that it doesn't get too cold. So that's what we're doing. We'll see how it works. And one last countermeasure is I talked to my primary care doctor, and he got me to an allergist where I'm going to take a series of shots so I'm not allergic to bees anymore. We'll still keep the EpiPens and all the other countermeasures, but ultimately, hopefully, I'll never have this issue again.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second Lean Play app at PaulAkers.net.